welcome back to English with Lina. Okay, so today we're gonna learn all of the Christmas, not all, sorry, some of the Christmas new words for you guys to use, let's say in your daily life, or you can use it in your IELTS speaking, especially for part 2 or part 3. Okay, so let's start with what Christmas dinner look like. So what I'm gonna share with you is more of a Christmas dinner picture in the UK, alright? So the main thing gonna be the roasted turkey. The turkey is super yummy. I mean, I love the texture of turkey in general, much more than the normal chicken. But it's just me really. And next you have stuffing. So stuffing is it look like this. I haven't made this before, so to be fair, I don't know what really go inside. But again, it's like another sort of like source of starch for it tastes quite nice. It tastes a little bit gluey and powdery in a sense, but it's quite nice. It has a lot of herbs smell, like it's good. Next is roasted potatoes. So many people have roasted potatoes as well as stuffing, so like two sources of starch. Next are gravy. So honestly, I love gravy. So gravy is like the kind of sauce with like thick consistency and dark color. You can, back in the UK, you can get it in powder form and then you mix it with hot water at home, or they can have like the already made version, or you can make it by yourself at home. And the next item is something sometimes I like it even more than the roasted turkey. This one is called pig in blankets. So pigs in blankets it sounds quite cruel, isn't it? It's like, I don't know, pork with pork, but it's kind of cute at the same time. So you got like small sausage, like cocktail sausage, that is wrapped around with bacon. Yeah, like meat with meat, but still very nice. Next item is cranberry sauce or red currant jelly. So something look like this. I normally have it with cranberry sauce. Personally, I love this because it has like sweet and sour flavor that really sort of like I don't know, make all of the saltiness in the turkey and the pigs in blankets become a bit lighter. So it's quite nice. Next are the vegetables, right? We need to have some veggies. Um, so the first one is carrots or parsnips. So and then some green one like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. All right. So Brussels sprouts, it looked like this. It's like some sort of mini cabbages, in my opinion. But the look, the taste is quite different. It's a little bit bitter sometimes. And you see, it's very colorful. It's got like bright yellow, dark color, and then also it has like red color from the cranberry sauce, as well as the well, all of the orange, white, and green color. So I think it's very festive. And some families and other restaurants where I used to work, we also have Yorkshire pudding as well. I mean, these for some of the traditionalists can be a big no-no, but like I do see some families, they do have Yorkshire pudding um, in their Christmas dinner table. So yeah, it's nice. It tastes very good. Okay, so now we're gonna have a look at the vocabulary for Christmas iconic characters. All right. So first, of course, he is so popular everywhere. He is Santa Claus, right? Or his other name is Father Christmas. But nowadays, I rarely hear Father Christmas. I just hear Santa Claus pretty much everywhere in the world. And his wife, his lifelong partner, her name would be Mrs. Claus, all right? And his supporters, who are wearing green suits like this, they are elves, okay? And last one, the one that I'm literally cosplaying today, is the reindeer, okay? It's super cute and is his carrier. All right, So next topic we have the Christmas decorations. So first we have the Christmas trees. So Christmas trees are normally made from pine trees, like this. And at the front door of the house, you can have the Christmas wreath. Christmas wreath. All right. So this like this rounded flowers or trees leaves. I honestly don't know what go in there. I mean, it's really depend on your taste, isn't it? And then you have some Christmas ornament to put onto the trees. Okay, so all these rounded decorations I think can be called as Christmas baubles. Okay, Christmas baubles. Last one is about Christmas snacks. Who wouldn't love some snacks, right? So you have candy cane. I mean, personally, is too sweet for me, but I think when you look at it, it's very Christmassy, isn't it? Like it's super. It just screams Christmas out loud with its color. So yeah, it's a very popular item. Um, and we have gingerbread man as well. So making gingerbread man can be very fun because you can decorate it. Sometimes you can give him different kind of clothing that you wish him to wear. And last, something savory, like sausage rolls. So it's like this kind of pastry with meat inside, normally made in bite-sized shape. Okay. So, okay, thank you very much for watching my video. So today I have a small gift for you because it's Christmas. I hope you will enjoy this part of the song. Okay. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Okay, so thank you very much and Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next year, I hope that I can produce more content for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.